Go Unitedly, I'm Jordan Overton. We look at your weather. So we've had the warm conditions, record highs, but that's all coming to a change. We have Hurricane Matthew. There's a spin right there spinning around. It impacted Haiti and also some other places, and there's a spin. And what this is going to do, this is actually going to move all the way up into the eastern coast, and this is a big deal. This is not a good situation. We're looking at the potential for a Category 4 hurricane to be on the eastern Florida coast. The theme has been hot for the past week, but the good news is that's going to come to a change this weekend. We're keeping an eye on a system off to our north.
Places like Amarillo are seeing unseasonably low temperatures because we're seeing unseasonably high temperatures right now.
So unseasonably high, now unseasonably low. It's just kind of flipping the coin, basically. Well, that basically means that the sun's rays are directly lined up with the Earth's equator. But look at this. This is widespread cold. This isn't just Oklahoma. 29 degrees in Albuquerque, 21 degrees in Denver, even 38 degrees in El Paso, and a high sitting off to our west. So that's normally where the heat is. That's the heat dome, basically, that we get in the summer. We're looking at temperatures that could be at least 10 degrees below normal early next week. I'll have all the details on when that will happen and how much rain we'll get. Extended forecast, we've got 74 on Thursday, cooler and mostly cloudy. Nice and a few clouds for Friday. Don't forget daylight savings time ends as we get to the weekend. Clocks are going to go back, but our rain chances increase as we get into early next week, and we'll be cooler.
Gotta love that fall back.
It's back. 80s are gone. We're saying goodbye to them.
Thank you so much, Jordan.
So there's the front off to our northwest. How's going to start to get here? This is right there Thursday at 9:43 p.m. at night. So this is right around tomorrow night. The cold front arrives. Notice to our west, the cold air and the cooler temperatures will start moving in our direction. It was clear at 5 o'clock, and then it's 8 o'clock. We have this. This is looking to the west of campus, so there's the Count's restaurants right there. This is from Zach Waldrop. Glad he sent us in last night. That's a supercell right there. So that's a supercell thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorm watches, also tornado watches, and even some severe thunderstorm warnings still all the way over there in the southeast. All right, so back to Oklahoma. We've got a system coming in this weekend.
Said it was 9 in the morning tomorrow, and in just 2 days we're going to feel that fall weather.
It's finally going to feel like fall, just in time for the beginning of fall.
Wow.
So here's how this is going to kind of play out. Past that, there's our system, the cold weather. Now notice, this doesn't just impact Oklahoma. This is all across the country, a really big storm system. And this also is good news for the southeast, as we just talked about in News Center. They're dealing with those wildfires and things like that. And the good news is they're going to see some rain and some cooler weather to help kind of alleviate those concerns and hopefully try to take out those wildfires. Rain to the south, snow to the north. Notice the freezing line is right over the Oklahoma Panhandle, so they're going to be just around freezing. Now watch as we go into Saturday morning. We could see a few snowflakes in northwestern Oklahoma. I think for Norman, things are going to be fine. We're going to stay above freezing and we'll just see rain. We're also looking at hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings. So there's the hurricane warnings on the eastern Florida coast. Hurricane watch, I would not be surprised if those were extended as we get closer to time, because we're looking at about 48 hours before this starts to impact the coast there. And look at that, Monday and Tuesday, it's going to be great. Highs 70 on Monday, Tuesday 71 degrees. That's going to be nice. Yeah. Our cold front moving through, and this is going to give us cooler weather, and it's also going to start to dry us out. Goodbye to the 80s. Also, we're going to have some rain chances tonight and a game day forecast, all coming up in just a bit.
Jordan, speaking of chilly, can we talk about the game day forecast a little bit?
Yeah, that's right. So it's chilly. It's going to be cool for tomorrow, but looking towards the game, you're going to need the rain jacket. We've got a good chance for showers around the area. It is going to be cold, too. It may look like there may be upper 40s for the temperature, but we are going to have a wind. And you also have combined the rain, it's going to feel kind of chilly. So you're going to need to make sure you have a jacket ready and also the rain jacket.
Anything's better than West Virginia weather.
Yeah, that snow is not exactly feasible.
That's very true. Well, thank you for watching OU Nightly, brought to you by the Gaylord College at the University of Oklahoma.
We'll see you back here tomorrow night live at 4:30.
Have a great evening.
Good night.